Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you my flavorful chia pudding recipe that you won't find anywhere else. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. For this recipe, we're gonna use 4 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 cup of homemade almond milk, 2 teaspoons of agave syrup. First, we're gonna soak the chia seeds. In a bowl, add chia seeds, almond milk and agave syrup. Mix it very well and let it soak for 20 to 30 minutes. After that, give it a good stir again to get rid of those clumps. Then put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours or even better overnight. Once it's ready, this is how it should look, thick and creamy. Transfer chia pudding in a glass or a jar. You can divide this amount in a few servings, but I like generous amount of chia base, so this time we're gonna be making chia pudding for 2. Then we're gonna prepare our fruit layers. For that we're gonna need 2 mangoes. Using hand blender, transfer mango to puree. Evenly distribute it on top of the chia pudding. Then we're gonna be making the same with 2 kiwis and pour on our mango layer. For toppings, you can use any berries you prefer. Here I'm using strawberries, raspberries, blueberries and a sprinkle of hemp seeds. And here my chia seed pudding. As you can see, it's very easy to make, there is no baking required, and you can experiment with different flavors and combinations. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye!